word problem here. You can see that 11th one based on the same perimeter, but here the perimeter will be given. You have to find out for the actually means they have to find out the particular given shapes there. Okay, what kind of shape is given there? A piece of the string is 30 centimeter long. Already there is a piece of the string that is 30 centimeter long, and that you have to make it to that perimeter of that square given shape. So what will be the length of the each side of the string is used to form? Means there is a 30 centimeter piece of the string. The string is there or the wire, right? So that you have to fence to this. Means you have to arrange to this square in this way. Okay. So this, how much it is required? For 30 centimeter total we have. Only for square how much it will be required we have to find out. As in the reverse formula, that is perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side. You have to apply and you have to write it there. So we will see that. So square, perimeter of the square is 4 into side. You already know that. So you have to write it here. 4 into side is equal to. So the total length whatever the string is given, that you have to write 30 centimeter. Okay. So now 4 into side. As already said you that you have to find out the side here. So keep the side here itself and send the 4 that side. If it is multiplication, it will go as a division. That is in denominator. So 30 by 4. So now 30 by 4 you have to divide it. In 4 tables you won't get 30, but nearest to that, what it is that? It is 7s are 28. So if you take that 7s are 28, how much left? 2 left. Decimal point here. And again if you do that, you'll get 0. So 4 5s are 20. So 7.5 centimeter. This calculation I am not going to do that. As a rough column you take it. 30 divided by 4 you do the division. Because already you know that how to do the division with the decimal points. You already learned in your primary classes. So 30 by 4 you do it as a 7.5 centimeter. So perimeter of the square is 7.5 centimeter. You came to know that. So the string is used for the 30 centimeter. That it is each side is 7.5. Whatever is given with the equilateral triangle, you can do it with your own. Because equilateral triangle formula you already know that. Already I gave you. So now I will take it as a regular hexagon. So third one is given regular hexagon. So write the same thing. Perimeter of a regular hexagon is, what is the formula here? We already discussed in your introduction class, that is 6 into side, because hexagon is nothing but 6 sides. So 6 into sides. For regular hexagon it will come as a 6 into side. So now already it is known as 30 centimeters. So write it here, 6 into sides is equal to 30 centimeter. So sides is equal to, if you send the 6 to that side, it will become 30 by 6. And if you know that already as a table, in 6 tables you will get it as a 6 5s are 30. So 5 centimeter is the value there. Okay. In this way you can solve this. So next question it is given based on the triangle perimeter here. So here it is given with the scale and triangle, that is all the 3 sides are equal. Okay, we will see the question, we will understand this. 2 sides of a triangle are 12 cm and 14 cm. So 2 sides are given, you can see there. 2 sides of a triangle is 12 cm and 14 cm. So the perimeter of the triangle is 36 cm. Means as we already know that in triangle we have the 3 sides. Okay. So what they have done, they have given you the 2 sides, 12 and 14. The third side is not given. And already the one more what they have given you, they have given you the perimeter of the triangle there. It is means the whole part, this is the whole perimeter of this. Okay. So 36 centimeter given. So what is the third side? You have to find out the third side. Okay. So the 2 sides and the using perimeter, you have to find out the third side here. So we have to see the solution here. So third side is not given. So what we have to do is the third side we will take it as a x, because we don't know what is the value here. Okay. So we will consider as a x here, as we used to see in the previous chapters. No, when there doesn't know any value there, what we used to take it? We will take it as a x or a n or a m. Okay, the variable how we will consider? No, like that we have to consider the variable here. Variable means the alphabet. Okay. So third side, instead of taking the question mark, I will take it as x, and we will see that. Let us consider So the perimeter of a triangle, third side should be taken as a x. Let x be the third side. So perimeter of the triangle we have to do, because all the three sides are different. So we have to write it all the three sides here. So perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all the three sides you can take. So perimeter of a triangle you take it as a, and you already know that is 36 centimeter. So 36 centimeter is equal to all the three sides you have to write. 14 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus third side is question mark. So we will take it as a x centimeter. Okay, we have written here already x centimeter. So now add it. So 36 centimeter is equal to 14 plus 12. 10 plus 10, 20. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 26 plus x centimeter. And as we have seen in the previous one, you know that when it comes to the sides, you have to keep that here. You have to sign the value to the next side and you have to read it. Write that and we have to do here also. So keep the x centimeter there itself, or else we can take it in this side also. X centimeter plus 26, 36 centimeter. Okay. The reverse I have written, only thing. Okay. Now keep this x centimeter here only is equal to 36 and plus 26 is there. That you have to send to the right. So it will become minus 26. So if your minus is 6 minus 6 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 10. So you 1, that is 10 centimeters. So what you got the x value is, the x value you got 10 centimeters. So therefore the third side is, what is the third side you have to find out. So therefore the third side is 10 centimeter. Okay children, this way you have to solve it. So coming to the next question, 14th one, and this 14th question is similar to the 13th one. 13th one question is based on the square and this is based on the rectangular part. I will explain you for the rectangle. Square you can apply the same for method and you can do it for the square. Okay, 13th one. So now we will see this. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular path of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter. The length and breadth is given. Okay. So what you have to find the cost of the fencing. Fencing means the perimeter of that. Because fencing means we have to put a fence to the surrounding of the given shape. So rectangular shape park is given here. To that the length and breadth is given. First what you have to do, you have to find out the perimeter of this rectangular park using the 175 and 125 meter. And then at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. Means that fencing whatever you people are marking there, they are going to arrange that is given that how much per meter is 12 meters. So how much meter you people are going to put that much you have to pay the amount also. So for 1 meter if it is 12 rupees and whatever you are finding the perimeter of that perimeter into this 12 rupees you have to find out. That much amount is paid, that also you have to find out here. So we will see that amount and the perimeter here. Solutions given that. So given that what is given there? Length of the path. Length of the rectangular path. How much it is given? 175 meter. So write that 175 meter. Right. Next breadth of the path. Rectangular path is given. So breadth of the rectangular. I'm sure already in short form you have to provide in full rectangular path. So what is 125 meter. So diagram. Whenever the problems are given, if you have the diagram as a rough way, then it will be more clear to understand what is the question and what we have to given and what is to be find there. Okay. So this is a rectangular path means, what is the length and breadth is given. So 175 meter into 125 meter it is given there. So in this way you have to draw and you have to put it. Okay. So now therefore what you have to find out? Perimeter of that. So write this. Perimeter of a rectangular path is, and you know the formula. What is the formula there? It is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L value is given, B value is given. So 175 plus 125. So 2 into 175 and 125 to that 1 and 1 is 200, right? So 75, 25, 100. So you get 300. And meter is given, write it in meter. So 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros. So you got that 600 meter. And what you have to find out the next? Per meter is 12 rupees, right? So for 600 meter, how much amount? Therefore, the cost of a fencing wire for 600 meter. So 600 meter into 12 meter, 12 rupees per meter is given. So right there. So 600 meter into 12 rupees per meter, right? So you have to write it rupees because we are finding the amount here. So 12 6 are, you know that how much? 72. Write it 72 100, right? So rupees 7,200 amount we are going to pay here. So next question is 15th one. Here this question is combined with the two examples, square and also the rectangle. Okay, we will see this. Sweetie runs around a square path of side 75 meter. So you can see there, it is given first example. Sweetie, she is going to around, means as usual go for a jogging or a running, like that. So here it is given, Sweetie runs around a square path of a side is 75 meter. Same again, Bulbul runs around a rectangular path with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. So one example is with the square and one example with the rectangle. So two persons are there. One is going around with the square and one more going around with the rectangle. So both the lengths are given. Who covers less distance? So you have to compare the perimeter and you have to find out who is going to cover less distance, either the square or a rectangle, or a sweetie or a bulbul. Okay, you will see that. So as you came to know that, so what you have to find out here? Perimeter of the square and perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of the square is formula 4 into sine, and perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So apply the value 4 into sine. So what is the sweetie's run around that? It is 75 meter. Okay. So she is going to around the square. Sweetie is going around the square. That is 75. 4 into 75. And whereas the bulbul, she is going to around the rectangle path. So rectangle. So it is given that 2 into L value is given 60 and B value is 45. So 60 plus 45. So now find the answer and write the total final answer. And who covers less? Whose value is less? No, that person will be having the. Whose perimeter is less? That person will cover the less distance. You write this final answer on your own. So coming to the last question here, we are seeing here. Anvit buys 9 square paving slabs, each with a side of half meter. He lays them in the form of a square, right? So what he is doing, he is forming in the formation of the square. Anvit, he has done this arrangement. So you have to find out the perimeter of this Anvit arrangements. Okay. But later on for the second question, there are again ABCD questions here. First question is with that. Again the B question is given that there is one more friend of Anvit's, Shari. He doesn't want that kind of arrangement. He wanted some different kind of arrangement. So what he will do? He also use the same slabs, the half meter, and he will form the one more arrangement here. So it will be in this formation. So even what will be the perimeter of the Shari's arrangement? You have to find out that in the B question. Okay. And the third question is given that whether the Anvit perimeters or the Shari's perimeter, means what they have arranged the slabs as using the half meter, which arrangement will be equal or it may be greater or it may be lesser. You have to compare both the arrangements perimeter here in the third question. And coming to the fourth question, they are asking you that either he wonders Anvit that either this arrangement is changed by Shari, what he has done. So other than this arrangement also you can do the one more arrangement there. Anvit wonders if there is a way of getting any even greater perimeter. Can you find a way of doing this? So one more way, any other plan you can do it as he is asking there. The paving slabs which must meet along complete edges. They should not break or they should not be mismatched there. So should be with the complete shape of that. So other than these two, any other shape you can do. We are asking you. So the fourth question is that. So all the four questions we will see the solution now. So children, here as we already know that arrangements are done in this way, and this arrangement in that square box, how it is visible in this way, because each slab they have taken, that each slab is half meter. Half meter is nothing but 0.5 meter. Okay, so that half meter, you see this one part is half meter. Okay, so how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So it will be taken as a half into 3. It should be multiplied with the 3 times because it is arranged in the 3 rows and 3 columns. Then we have to multiply. Then this whole is multiplied with the 4 because the 4 sides are there. So we have to take it 4 into side here. Okay. So like that we have to take it as a half into 3 and into 4. And whereas for the second arrangement also it should be taken the same half meter. Half meter, if you convert in the decimal way, it will be as a 0.5. So this will be taken as a 0.5, and whereas this one it will be taken as a 0.5 plus 0.5, it will become half plus half is 1. So this total it will be considered as a 1. So this total will be considered as a 0.5. So this 0.5 will be taken as a 1, 2, 3, 4 sides are there. 4. 0.5 into 4 and 1 into 4. It will be taken as 4 times. Okay. So in this way you have to find out the perimeter for this. So the solution is here. See, first what you have to do is side of the square you have to take. So side of a square is, as we already said you, that half into 3 because it is arranged in the 3 pattern way. Okay, the square. So write this half into 3. So half into 3 means it is denominator I think is given. So 3 is multiplied to the numerator directly. When it is multiplication, directly you can multiply. So half into 3 will be taken as a 3 by 2. 3 ones are 3 and denominator 2. Okay. Now this 3 by 2 should be multiplied with the perimeter of the square, that is into 4. So 4 if you multiply, in the cross multiplication you can cancel here. Okay. So that is 2 ones are 2 2s are. Okay. When you have multiplication you can do the calculation directly. Okay children. So this is multiplication. So now 2 ones are 2 2s are. Okay. 4s, right. So now what is left out? Here 2 is left out. Denominator 1. Denominator 1 is nothing but it can be left there. So 3 into 2 is 6. So what you got is, it is given this in a meter. So you have to write it in a meter itself. That is 6 meter. Okay. Now coming to the next one, second one, Shari's method. With this Shari's method we will see here. So this diagram you draw in your rough column. Okay children, because this is very important to that to understand your solution here. So again for the B arrangement, Shari's arrangement. So what you can see here, that is perimeter of a cross, because it is in a cross plus mark. So it will be taken as a cross shape. So here perimeter of the cross shape, and it is Shari's arrangement. So here also you can take it as a half into 4 times other. Half into 4 also you can take 0.5 also you can take. So as we already know that 0.5 4 times, what you know, or else half in 4 times. So 0.5, 0.5, half and half 1. 0.5, 0.5, half and half 1. So it becomes 2. So 4 times we will get a 2. And next here 1 is there, right? So 1 again 4 times. So 1 into 4 you will get a 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So you got 6 here. We have to see the solution for 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this again will be taken. So 2 sided. 1 sided is 4. The 2 sided it will become 4. Or else you can take it as a 8 sides. So you can take that also 8 or 2 4s also you can take, right? So first I take 2 times that. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. So 2 times if you take that. So in the bottom, the other side is the one more side. Okay, you can, so it will be taken as a 2 4s also you can take it as a 2 4s it will become 8. If you consider that 2 4s 8 also you can take it. Okay, so now here if you take a 2 plus 8 is 10. So what you can get a 10. So what you can write? You can write it as a 0.5 1 plus 1, right? Again 1 plus 1, right? Again 0.5, again 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, right? Like that you can write it here with the 4 times. Okay, so instead of writing here, we will take it in the direct way. So I will take it in this direct way also, half into 4 times, because the side way is 1, 2, 3, 4. So half into 4 times and half into 16 times, because we have the sides here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 are there if you take it separately. So half into 16 I have taken. So 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So I got 10 later 2 here. Plus again in this half into 16, 2 ones are, 2 eights are. So I got 8 here. So you can write 8 plus 2 is 10. In this way also you can write. So you can see the meter, so you will write 10 meter. Okay. Now the C question is, which is greater? It is asked. Obviously it is, if you compare this 6 meter, that is 10 meter. So the cross sheet is greater. And the D answer is that, as you said, if you want, you can get into one more arrangement. So it is not possible this. Other than that, in equally you cannot distribute those, right? So what happens? If you see that in that greater, what it is given, the answer is, you can see there. Question is given. So here you can see that 6 meter, 10 meter. So other than this, greater you cannot do there. So it is cannot determine there. So it can be written as not determined. Okay. This way the 17th solution is there. This way you understand it, everything, and complete in your CW, children. Thank you.